Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So today itself I was actually clicking the picture of my Echeveria noble, and today someone asked me about an update on the mountain soil. So I had already made a video on the update of mountain soil, but that was a very quick update. But today it's almost 10 months, because I was just checking the video to send a link to one of my subscriber, and I realized that it's almost 10 months that my Echeveria noble has been in the mountain soil, and you can see it's doing extremely well. Now please don't think that this is the same bloom that was there in the previous video 10 months back. This is a very different bloom. It has a little bit of mealybugs. I will be cutting it off in some time, so I just wanted to give you a quick update. So as you can see, after 10 months also the plant is doing extremely well. So in 10 months, this is the second bloom that's come up. I haven't added any fertilizers. Now you might also notice that the size of the succulent has not changed a lot. Now this is something that I wanted to talk about. Now guys, if you remember, as I said, I do not fertilize my succulents. Secondly, I tend to stress my succulents. You can see there are some stress colors on it because the succulent is being stressed. Whenever you tend to stress your succulents in order to get the color, it is going to compromise with the growth. Now you'll have to compromise somewhere or the other. If you want really bright colored succulents, you'll have to stress them. If you're going to stress them, that is going to reduce, or that is going to stun their growth. Now the reason why there is a stunned growth is because when you stress your succulents, you do not add fertilizers, you reduce the watering, you give more sunlight. So when there is not much watering, it will not help the plant grow very well. The plant is going to stay very small. Now personally, I have no issues with that because I prefer my succulents to stay compact and small, so it is no issue for me. But if you are a person who loves really large succulents, then stressing is going to reduce the growth. So it depends upon you whether you want to have a brightly colored succulent or you want to have a very large succulent. Again, the large succulent, for a succulent to grow large, it's not going to happen very quick. It is going to take a couple of years for it to reach to a decent size, or even to a larger size. It's going to take a very long time. I personally prefer my succulents to be very small and compact. That's why I use small pots. I keep them underwatered most of the time so that I can get the stress colors. But overall, the mountain soil has been working out really well. Without even adding fertilizers, in 10 months we had 2 blooms on our Echeveria noble. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.